Namata Shidele. Namaste. Today, June 9 on Thursday, we are at Gujiswari, Kathmandu, Nepal, providing food for poor and needed people through Gesitashi Foundation, Nepal. The donor were Lobsang Landuk from New York, $50. Led Wangel, $50. Amatashi Dolma, $50. Ama Sonam Sangmo from New York, $50. Serap Sangmo from New York, $25. Momot Tamding from New York, $100. Sonam Dolma from Long Island, $100. And Karma Chetan family from New York, $125. Total we have $550. Converting Nepali rupees 66,550, which we expense food for 275 people 55,000, water 3,000, yoga 4,500, taxi 3,000 up and down, glass 900. Thank you.
खाना खानेको लड्को